Covered conductors versus underground lines. Keeping our electrical grid running smoothly is essential for modern life. But power lines are susceptible to damage from a variety of sources, including weather and wildlife. In this blog post, we'll discuss two common methods for protecting power lines: covered conductors and underground lines. Covered conductors, a rodent's kryptonite. Have you ever seen a squirrel scurry across a power line? It might seem harmless, but rodents like raccoons and squirrels can cause significant damage by chewing on power lines. Covered conductors offer a solution to this problem. As the name suggests, a covered conductor is a power line with an additional layer of insulation wrapped around it. This insulation, typically made of conductive aluminum or bronze, ABC, protects the live wires from being gnawed by pesky critters. ABC, lighter, stronger, smarter. Traditional power lines are often made of iron or steel. While these materials are conductive, they can be heavy and cumbersome to handle. ABC conductors offer an alternative. They are lighter than their steel counterparts while still maintaining excellent conductivity. This makes them easier to install and maintain. Underground power, out of sight, out of harm's way. Another way to protect power lines from damage is to bury them underground. Underground lines, UG lines, are less vulnerable to weather events like lightning strikes and windstorms. They are also less likely to be damaged by wildlife. However, underground installation is typically more expensive and time-consuming compared to overhead power lines. Choosing the right protection. The best method for protecting power lines depends on a variety of factors, including cost, terrain, and the presence of wildlife. Covered conductors are a cost-effective solution for areas with high rodent populations. Underground lines are ideal for sensitive areas or places where aesthetics are a concern. Conclusion: keeping our power grid safe and reliable is an ongoing effort. Covered conductors and underground lines are two important tools that help us achieve this goal. By understanding the advantages and disadvantages of each method, we can make informed decisions about how to protect our critical infrastructure.